Step 2. Sanitary evaluation and biometric inspections.
Sector Gamma is clear for intake.
Confirming diagnostics for Group A, Trajectory 4.
In an anodized steel with white ice wolves with a condition in large.
The homogeneity reading on sector gamma is fluctuating.
Yes, the laser sensors detected a 2% moisture variance right here.
The precision of the robotic arms ensures every stitch meets our premium standards. The technicians constantly monitor the flow.
A câmera segue o scanner percorrendo as peças. Técnicos movem os objetos com fluidez, enquanto as esteiras...
Scan confirmed.
Good, let the AGV take it away.
Pallet secured. Moving to the next one.
Confirmed. Verify all seals.
We keep the humidity precisely controlled for the white wolf leather.
The craftsmanship is exquisite.
The torsion metrics are consistent with the previous batch.
Except for this spike here in the compression reading.
Acknowledged. We'll monitor the next cycle closely.
Note the precision on this edge. It's flawless.
Agreed. The ceramic glaze on these is exactly what we wanted.